Lucid deal is closed but not confirmed by Lucid Motors. What's up guys, my name is Ilya and welcome to my channel. And before we start, click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so today, Tuesday, February 16th, we just got a new news about the merge Lucid Motors with Cciv through SPAC, Special Acquisition Company. The problem here is the Lucid Motors price on just the rumors in 2021 has been so high up. It was trading around $30 to $35 for a while now, and everybody was waiting for news. And every day when news weren't coming out, price was going down. Then another day, everybody was hoping for new news. It was going up. And today, when news announced that merge is as close as possible and maybe they will even do it next month, and the price just broke into new highs at $55. Today Lucid Motors was trading at $55. And this is something crazy because guess what? Lucid Motors hasn't announced officially the merge with Cciv. Of course, 90% that Lucid Motors will merge with Cciv. We all know this because the hype is real. All news are Reuters, Bloomberg, and others. Everybody is talking about it. But there is a tiny chance that the merge won't happen. And right now, it's $55 per share. This bad news can just break the market and can leave people broke because everybody is trying to buy in. Fear of missing out is a real thing in 2021. Everybody is trying to miss the new Tesla and new NIO stock. This is why everybody is buying on a highest level. After short squeeze and stuff, people just want to make quick money. And again, this is not official news. Lucid Motors hasn't announced anything, unfortunately. And guess what? The SPACs life, all SPACs on the market, it's always going up on rumors. And when official news are coming out, after a couple days, it might go down. And right now, Lucid Motors price per share is so high up on the rumors. So after the news, it probably will go up. And I think it can break $100 per share. But again, this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. But be careful, guys. Right now, the risk ratio with reward ratio is a very small because risk is on a highest level. Stock is very volatile on the rumors, and SPAC in general always going down because from the announcing to the actual merge can take a while. And because everybody is buying it on a high volume, on a high hype note, after the merge, prices almost always will go down. It doesn't matter whether they won't go up, but it might take some time, months or even years. Just look at DraftKings. When it was a SPAC, the price went up to $20, then $30, then $40, and then went down to $25 again. So now it's trading around $60, but it's almost a year ago. It merged a year ago. With the same with Lucid, if you're buying in on the highest point, you can lose some money. Hopefully you're trading with your cash, but if you're on a margin, you can get a margin call and then you have to sell your stocks, or the brokerage will sell stock for you, and then you're gonna lose money and unfortunately cannot keep, or you have to add more money to prevent margin call. So be careful, guys. Once again, this is still kind of rumors, nothing is official yet, and hopefully most likely they will get through this deal, but you have to be patient and you don't risk your money. Just do your research, just wait for a good buy-in price. Personally, me, if Lucid Motors hit $100 before the merge, I'm definitely buying puts because there's no way it will keep that high up before the merge. It will definitely go down. It will be an opportunity to play it down. Yes, diamond hands, I guess, broken now, but again, the whole reason to make money, the whole point is to make money. All SPAC, special acquisition companies, are going up on the news and rumors, and then they will go down for short period of time. For somebody is shorter, for somebody is longer. So just be careful, think twice. There are a lot of opportunities on the market, and losing your money because of a fear of missing out is definitely not worth it. Just wait and don't listen to your friends, don't listen to me. Just do whatever you want with your money. But again, just think twice because there is a high chance to lose money, and especially if you're trading on margin. So be careful. And if 100% news from Lucid Motors or Lucid Motors will actually say that they're merging with CCIV, I will definitely make a video and I will let you know, guys. But for right now, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Comment down below what you think about Lucid Motors and the stock market in general, and what is your favorite stock to invest in 2021. Take care.